How to post then and now photos on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a then and now post within the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android phone so you can compare older photos with newer photos. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, we just need to open up the Facebook app, then select menu in the bottom menu of Facebook, and then we just want to find memories. You should see it in that menu right there, but if you don't, select see more and then scroll down and find and select memories. Once you get to memories, select then and now. And then first we need to select add older photo. And you can choose a photo you've already uploaded to Facebook. It'll show up here, but you can also add a photo from your camera roll on your phone by selecting add from device. Once you do that, simply select the photo you want to add and then select done. We can then select next to save that as our older photo. Now to add a recent photo, select add recent photo. Again, you can select it from a photo you've already uploaded to Facebook, but you can also select add from device to use one from your phone. So I'll select that and then select done and then next, and that will save that as our recent photo. So as you can see, we now have an older and a recent photo. Then just select next. Then all we need to do to post our then and now photos is select post in the top right, and we have now posted a then and now photo on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.